Gee.
It's like 180.
Schmeckst du etwas?
I smell something.
What is it?
I'm not 100% sure. It's really what I smell.
What are you smelling?
Ukwa. G. 110.
Normal.
Jollof rice. I said it right.
Gee. Nindinze. Yes. No. Yes, sir. I put your house.
Yes. Mangala. No mangala garage.
Chief said I should make him breakfast.
But you don't get it from board
Now. You will not be ready now. Yes.
Sheep.
Here we go. What is Puppy eating? Give me a.
Leo. Nico.
Sausages?
Isn't
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Ukwa.
Yeah, Ukwa. Very. Fun.
You have to try. Here we go. Little.
Follow me.
Already eat.
Follow me. Follow me.
Hey!
Fun.
Back.
Check out the other water.
There, there.
Simmer.
With azumangal. And shikapa.
Yes.
Your life is sweet though.
Why not? If not.
And that.
And rice. Yes. Here we go. To see. Oh. Enjoy your food, Chief. You marry Oibo, but you still chop African food. Next time.
Daddy Mario Ibo.
You marry Oibo. Next time.
I make me nervous.
Next time I'll make you cheese. Cheese and bread. You know?
Check and that.
Sweet food.
Cheese and bread with chocolate milk.
Exactly.
One year to say bye bye.
Bye bye.
God. Ichagi. Chief. Chief and Chief Junior. Say Chief.